The struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need tomorrow. Do you have dry, cracked, chapped lips, and you want to get rid of it? This video promises a two-step lip care routine for soft, plump, pink, gorgeous lips. Do this once a week for the best results. If you like videos like this, you're in the right place. Lip scrub. A lip scrub is a good product for removing dry skin on the lips, leaving your lips soft as ever. Can't buy a lip scrub? I got you. You can make one at home. I will give you a video to watch. If you don't have honey, you can use Vaseline. You can come back anytime for this routine. Lip mask. To put back moisture in your lips, you should apply a lip mask. It is hydrated and moisturizing. If you don't have a lip mask, you can use Vaseline, honey, lip balm. Do this once a week for the best results. Is a lip scrub harsh on your lips? If so, this gentle way will help. First is to warm up water and dip a towel after scrub your lips. After you can see the dry skin from your lips, you can come back anytime for this routine. Thanks for watching. Like if this helped you. Bye.